I'm Purity Dongo, Purity Wamoshi Dongo from Nakuru. I usually do fast food. It was our friend who introduced me to the same. Yeah, I saw like their products are good, their interest was not high, so like I just chose them. From Musoni, I've been there for like, I've taken like 2 terms. I took the first loan on, so like I've taken two installments. Yeah, Musoni's business imenisaidia in that it has promoted me because I was down somewhere and it lifted me. So like I added my stock. Yeah, it was improved by that as far as school fees is concerned, house rent and all that. So like I'm good at them. Let me say those guys are very polite, very polite, especially Mr. Julius. He has helped us. In the first place, my business, I was doing a bar, and I saw it is not beneficial as far as they usually, you have customers who harass you, but I chose food because I know a customer, once he wants food, and there's no customer who can come at your place without money. So like I chose being a fast fooder. Whoever wants to become a fast fooder, I can tell her or him it's a very giving business because people must eat. So napenda their relationship, the way they take us, the way they maintain us. Even if you don't have the installment of the day, they contain you. Yes. I've even introduced another lady over here. I'm the one who introduced the lady who has the dressmaking over here. So like I can also, but I can't introduce many because if I introduce many, maybe they can be of disturbing or something. So I usually introduce somebody I trust. What I can say is that if only you can give us time. We are also growing, and eventually we have those titles and log books and anything. But we hope you promote as we come up, so that we can reach those people who have titles and all that. We are coming by the and you lengthen the duration. You see, so like we are not failures. We are coming up. And we are coming up to reach those people who have titles and all that. Okay. Don't take a loan to start a business. Take a loan to promote business. Yeah, it grow now. You can't start a business with a loan. It will fall. Because like now, I usually take 20,000 and I usually pay 750 per day. Whatever I'm starting with that, can it manage? So it's like you have a business and then the Musoni wakuja wakuongeze. See that you start with it. You can't start with wrong. Okay, if you want to talk to me, my number is 0716 082 342. I'm Purity Wamoshi Dongo.